Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by obtaining credentials and the tools you need. Log into your Roblox Developer Hub, enable necessary API features, and generate an API key or secure cookie token. Once done, install Node.js or Python, and add an HTTP client like Axios or Requests so you can send requests. Make sure to store keys in environment variables or a secrets manager, because keeping tokens in code risks exposure. Now you're ready to make your first authenticated call to the Roblox endpoints. You'll construct authenticated HTTP requests next. Include authorization and XCSRF token headers when required, and set content type to application/JSON, then choose the endpoint for users, assets, or places. When data lists are long, use pagination parameters and cursors to iterate safely. Also handle rate limits proactively. Check response headers, implement exponential backoff, and queue retry logic. Make sure to validate JSON responses and map fields to your app model. So you finish by integrating calls into your app and validating them with tests. Write unit and integration tests, mock API responses, and run them in CI. Deploy with environment variables for keys, set token rotation, and add monitoring for errors and quota usage. If something goes wrong, inspect response codes and headers for CSRF, permissions, or rate limit signals, then retry with backoff. If persistent, recheck scopes and token validity. Once stable, document endpoints used so maintenance is straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.